a radiator for a Murano, second generation 2010 and halfway up a little bit. Issue with this one was the radiator. There are a lot of videos saying that you don't have to take the bumper off. True enough, you don't. And one video said you had to disconnect the air condenser or the air conditioning, which you don't. You just had to maneuver it a little bit so you can get everything around where you need to go. And what I've noticed, all of the videos always say these radiators leaking around the front, right there. So more or less it's a factory defect. Removing this thing, what I found out, you can get it out, but you're just in so tight of a quarters that you have to pay attention to what you're doing. These clips on the bottom that hold the condenser in will try to catch on to the back side of the condenser on either side, either by this little bracket right there or the underside of where it connects to the condenser right here. Kind of blurry, but in a second, right there. Easy way I figured out how to do it. Have a long enough screwdriver to get in there and hold it while you try to get it in, or pull it out rather. Going in, it should just drop straight in. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just making sure I got everything lined back up according to the old radiator versus the new radiator. And I'll try to get a little bit of video of me putting it back in, so bear with me. Also, before I forget, I also took some of the tabs. They got 2 tabs on top of the radiator. I'm sorry, on top of the condenser, which are these that sit right up here. In order to get that off, what I learned is you need 3 screwdrivers. One for this side of the tab, one for that side of the tab, and one right here in the back. Put 3 screwdrivers in there, slides off. Also, when you take it off, it gives you more room to move this thing forward as far as you can. The only thing I wish I could do is take out these horn brackets. Then that way I could tilt it further to get everything clear without having an issue with clearance. A lot of people having issues with taking off the grill. What I used, this is gonna look crazy, so I'll get out. I used the J-hook from the battery. And what I did, I slid it in there, popped the tabs up from the back side. So that's a little something to think about if you don't have all the proper tools like most shops do. And I teach you how to work with what tools you do have. Getting ready to try to manipulate and maneuver everything to drop this back in. It's gonna be interesting doing one-handed. Yep, very interesting. So, this is what you got to work with. You got that in, and you got this in. You should be able to tilt it and finagle it and so forth. Get it past all of that. Part drops in. I gotta get this part. Now that's in. Play with this, and then I'm going to start it back up and let you see where I'm at. Okay, so we got it dropped back in there. Remember I was saying I had to get enough clearance past this so you'll have to take the lines off. This is how much play that you got. And then when you do the other part, it's pretty straightforward. But once you get everything situated, it drops back in. The only thing you got to do is reconnect the lines and everything. You got this line right here that sits right here on the other end. Then you go around and do the other end. You got your transmission lines and your bottom hose, upper and lower, and the bottom hose. And once you're done there, you're pretty much on. Okay, and this is what it looks like when it's completed. You put your little clips back in to hold the radiator up top, and make sure those are on tight. They'll snap when they go back into place. These will. And now the only thing that's left to do is just fill it up and check for leaks. And pop all of the small plastic stuff back into place. And as always, if you got any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up and we'll get you squared away as much as I can. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends about it.